Welcome. This is John from Behind the Mic. And you are watching with me the profit cycle from the field of printing on demand. Simply, my friend, it is more than wonderful and special. Every person should start in this field. We will talk in this episode. Why should you start in this field alone? The first point I want to mention is that you can start without or by investing very little money. Actually, you can actually start working on this project without investing a single penny. But if you want to develop in this field, it is natural, like any other business project, that you will encounter some investments and some things that you must buy and participate in. But actually, you can actually start working without investing a single medal. Registering on the sites is free, design with free tools and methods, publish your work in a free and manual way, and start earning money without any interference from you. Once you get the sale, the site you work on does everything and you only get a percentage of the profits because you are the reason for that process. What I really like about this project is the negative that will stay with you forever if you know how to work in the field correctly. It means that you can work whenever you want and stop working whenever you want. I have been working in the field of graphic design for more than 4 years. I never like to work in a field because sometimes you receive requests on Fiverr or any other site, and you do not have the same effort to work. In contrast to the field of on-demand printing, my friend, you will do and design whenever you want to work and when you are more comfortable and creativity is greater. By uploading these works on many sites specialized in this field and going to sleep, you actually go to sleep. Do not do anything at all. Once the process occurs, the site will take care of. Once the purchase is made, the site will take care of everything. Literally everything. You will just enjoy watching the dollars go into your PayPal account. The second point I want to mention, the competition is little in this field, unlike other fields, my friend. For example, the competition is very intense. The price of advertisements is very high, unlike the field of print on demand, where there is no great competition, and even if this competition is okay, you will just make an effort for this project. You will not see your bank account go down and money spent terribly. I am talking to people who have actually tried expensive advertising campaigns, whether on or on marketing any product. Finally, they really know how tragic the situation is as you watch your bank account fall and go down and spend $1 after another without getting results. In contrast to the field of printing on demand, my friend, you just work and enjoy the entry of dollars into your pocket. It's that simple, my friend. All you have to do is search properly for the right thought, which people are looking for, and people really want to buy it with the lack of competition, and this we will explain in detail how you will be able to get it during the course after you come up with a great idea. You include it on a group of sites that we will refer to in many other sites. Simply and go to rest. Don't do anything else. As soon as any customer or person in this world likes your idea, bought that product, the site applies that design to the specific product. Whether a cup, shirt, an error pillow or any other product provided by the site you are working on, prints it, ships it, and sends it to the customer or worker who entered his information. You will not do anything at all. You will only get a commission of $1, $2, up to $16, depending on the product that was sold in that process and according to the profit margin you choose when you list this product. Another very wonderful thing, my friend, is that you can take advantage of your terrible limbs that these sites get. You can watch with me on this page, my friend, that Amazon, for example, gets more than 53 million visitors a day. Imagine with me, my friend, that you can reach more than 53 million people. Show him your products. It is very, very great and represents real opportunities to start making money. Actually, it is a gold mine. If you have not started in this field, you are leaving money on. You can also see, my friend, if Amazon does not accept you, and I will repeat and repeat that I will share with you the correct steps. If you follow them correctly during the course, you will accept without any problems. But always, my friend, print on demand, not Amazon. For example, you have at the bottom, as you see, more than 2 million visitors per day, about 3 million visitors. It is a matter, wonderful, or, a very large number. You can simply sell, to them. This was today's episode. Thanks for staying with us. I hope you focus on every letter I said. See you in the next video.